Hey Chuck, this is Zach Steeler of Town and Country Air. How you doing, man? Yeah, I need to go ahead and put on the books a pick ticket for just a small mini split. I don't know what size you guys have. Something just like 7, 8,000, 9,000, whatever the smallest one in your brand is. Yeah, if you don't mind, just put together a ticket with that, the line set for it, just like a regular line set, 15, 25 foot, something short, that's fine. And then all the stuff that I need as far as flare nuts, and I can fill it in whenever I get to the supply house. I just want to make sure you guys have it in stock when I get there. Yeah, that sounds good, man. I really appreciate that and that great customer service you give me.
Foreshadowing.
Yep, I appreciate it. Even though I'm a small company, you give me great customer service. Yeah, Sam, this is Zach. I just wanted to make sure that you and your guys were available to do an install for me or help me out with one in a couple weeks. Just want to get on the books early so we don't have any issues. And I appreciate it. I know you guys are the top notch, the cream of the crop, so I appreciate that a whole lot.
Foreshadowing.
And geared up and ready for this job. Nothing could go wrong. I just need to make sure I have all my tools, and I think I do. Just got to load up and head down to the supply house. Hey there, Sam. I was about to leave and go pick up the what now? What do you COVID-23? You mean COVID-19? You have COVID-23? I didn't even know there was such a thing. You did not know you had COVID-23 yesterday? Whenever you could have called me? We have an install today. Well, I appreciate you don't want to make me sick. You just want to make me poor. Well, good grief. So I'll be doing the install by myself today, but hopefully that's the only problem we have. Okay. Hello? Yes, sir. I'm about to head out to meet your truck over there at our job site. So you sold the unit that was held for me? Why would you sell the unit you held for me? I mean, we had a pick ticket. The unit, I've been over there, and there's a pile with my stuff in it, and that unit sitting there near the door. You don't know what happened? You don't have any idea what happened to it? Someone just bought it, huh? Someone just bought it. It wasn't a big company, was it? Was a big company come through there and bought it? Did they need one, and then that's what happened? All right, so you're gonna bring one in from the branch an hour and a half away, but you're gonna be at the job within the next 2 hours because they're gonna leave within half an hour, right? So I'm gonna go to the job and you're gonna meet me there. I'm gonna rip old stuff out. So if you're meeting me there, you know, I don't want to sit there with the lines open just waiting. So I'm going to say one more time, you're going to be there. You're going to actually be there in 2 hours, 2 hours from now. I wish we could sign something. All right. So the supply house. Hello? No, honey, I'm just waiting on the supply house. They're supposed to be here any minute now. I got the old unit disconnected, and I'm not quite sure what time I'll be home. I'm just The supply house running late, you know how it is, and I have to, I don't know if that's on the way home. I mean, I don't know if I'll be able to pick it up on it. It might be closed by the time I get back. Well, they might be closed by the time I get back. I will try my best. I will try my best. I don't want to have you have to go out and interrupt your time of watching Rizzoli and Isles. So no, I'm not trying to be funny. No, I'm not. No. Hello. Fantastic. Who needs sex after a long day anyway? Here we go. All right, where are you guys at? How can you be on the way up? I thought they were going to load it on one of their trucks and bring it down here. Well, let me get this right. So you're going to, the trip involved, and to be here in 2 hours from when we spoke, you were going to leave and drive an hour and a half, load something up and drive back an hour and a half, and somehow that's going to equal 2 hours? See, I failed to see, because it's a mathematical problem. I failed to see how this will work out properly. But are you on the way back? So you haven't got there yet. So this job's going to be finished around midnight tonight. Right. So I hate to be out late. It'll, keep me from my sexless home life. Just hurry. All right, everything is working. Everything looks good. We have nice cooling inside. Everything's going to be fine. There's even a little bit of light left in the sky. Sun's going down, but everything. Let's see. Hello. Yes, sir. How you doing, sir? Yep, I'm just wrapping up a job, about to head home for this evening. Do you have something you need me to get to tomorrow? Oh, it's one of your tenants. One of your tenants that has a baby. I see. A newborn infant baby that's in the incubator in the house. It's still in the incubator. It's not in the NICU. It's at the house. Okay, I got you. That's logical. Yeah, for sure. Health insurance is a real pain in the butt. So, yep, need to head on over there. It's only 72 degrees outside though. Are we sure we need to go over there today? It's been a long day. Why not? Might as well. It isn't like there's anything to rush home to.
Down the road, I don't know